Ineos has made quite the splash in the off-road SUV market with its Grenadier, and now the British newcomer is expanding into the pickup segment with another model, the Ineos Grenadier Quartermaster. This new arrival is effectively a double-cab pickup version of the Grenadier SUV, and it's been revealed for the first time at the 2023 Goodwood Festival of Speed. To create the pickup variant, Ineos made the Quartermaster's ladder frame a full 12 inches longer to accommodate the bed at the rear. At 5.3 feet wide and 5.2 feet long, it's large enough to fit standard European pallets and just a touch smaller than the short bed you might find on the Toyota Tundra. It's rated for a 1,653-pound payload, while the 7,700-pound tow rating matches that of the regular Grenadier. The Ineos Grenadier Quartermaster measures 5,400mm long, 2,146mm wide and 2,019mm tall on a 3,227mm wheelbase. Ineos has shown off the Quartermaster with a nice welded round bar setup around the bed, which should prove useful for tying things down. The bed also features tie-down rings and a 400-watt power socket. The tailgate itself is 4.2 feet wide and can take a load of 496 pounds if you and a buddy want to sit in the back and shoot the breeze. Ineos boasts the Quartermaster's class-leading off-road capabilities with 264mm of ground clearance and an 800mm wading depth. Its maximum approach, breakover and departure angles are 35.5 degrees, 26.2 degrees and 22.6 degrees respectively. The Ineos Grenadier Quartermaster will use the same BMW-sourced 3.0-litre turbocharged inline 6-cylinder petrol and diesel engines as the wagon, running through an 8-speed ZF-sourced automatic gearbox and full-time 4-wheel drive system with low range. The petrol-powered Ineos Grenadier makes 210 kW at 4,750 rpm and 450 Nm at 1,750 to 4,000 rpm, while the diesel engine makes less power, 183 kW at 4,200 rpm, but more torque, 550 Nm at 1,250 to 3,000 rpm. Underneath, the Ineos Grenadier Quartermaster carries the same old-school off-road ingredients of live axles front and rear with coil springs all around. The Grenadier Quartermaster will be offered in the same 3 trim levels as the SUV, a stripped-down base model, an off-road focused Trial Master and a fully loaded Lux Field Master. Orders have opened in the United Kingdom and Ireland, with prices starting at equivalent of $86,797 at current exchange rates. Ineos hasn't said if the Quartermaster will be offered in the US, with deliveries of the Grenadier 4x4 expected to start at the end of 2023.